So,
Yeah,
Trent,
I
for all our
agree.
listeners, obviously you talk to these new buyers, right? So let's talk about new buyers. You talk to them, you're on the phone with them. Give us some things that our listeners need to know. Like, give us that five, like, top things, like, do not do this, do this type thing that you would for a guy calling you right off the, fresh out of MBA school, wanting to make his acquisition. What are those things they need to do,
Yeah,
and
so
what should they not do?
here's what I would say. Like if I were in a buyer's position, let me just tell you like how I would approach brokers to really be taken seriously and to get on their their essentially kind of VIP list. First off, I'd be reaching out to multiple brokers, not just one. What you'll find is if you reach out to 10 in your area, 6 or 7 of them are going to be so worthless you don't even need to bother talking to them. But you'll find 2 or 3 or 4 really good ones, and so you want to start building relationships with a number of different brokers. You want to be prepared with proof of funds. That's one of the first things a broker is going to find out is who, especially now as buyer is becoming more popular to buy these businesses online. There's unfortunately, I think my personal opinion, gurus out there that are doing a disservice trying to tell people they can buy a business for zero down, buy an absentee business and do zero money down. And so it attracts all of these people that from a broker standpoint, part of the broker's job is to essentially be the gatekeeper, to try and make sure we're not wasting the seller's time, because they've got to primarily be focused on running their business and keeping the margins up and keeping the profit up and the growth up, rather than spending all their time answering questions that from someone that's hoping to maybe raise the funds and borrow money from their uncle and don't worry about it, I'll get the funds later. That really doesn't work.